Our mission is to care for folks from all over the world, and we do that as an academic medical center in South Florida that is state of the art.
We have our flagship hospital, which has multiple specialties. We have our oncology hospital and we have our eye hospital.
You will belong here. Regardless of the type of nursing area that you've chosen, we have that here.
We have research centers. We just recently were NCI designated as far as our cancer center.
Bascom Palmer has been #1 for many, many years. Bascom Palmer has had the technology capability to be able to give sight back.
Working in intensive care is pretty great because you work pretty directly with all the teams at UHealth. Directors and managers, they actually come over and they work on the floor with you. They're very hands-on, and it makes us feel valued, like our profession matters.
I, as a chief nursing officer, have a very open door policy. They don't have to wait to get an appointment because I think the closer you are to the staff, the more successful your staff will be.
We are like a big family. We work together as a team to provide care for our patients.
I see compassion towards our patients, but also towards each other.
We have a multidisciplinary team, a diverse group of people that come from all areas of the world, but also come with all areas of expertise.
I just love that it's so diverse. I feel like it's a place where I can really connect and really hone in on things that are important to me.
With UHealth, I appreciate that there's a drive for education. We have many avenues to be able to advance your career.
We're always pushing our nurses to do their very best.
They give you the opportunity with a flexible schedule. You can attend school or attend classes as well.
There's also a thing called the clinical ladder. It's a program where nurses can advance their career.
Once they've mastered the expertise required, they can apply to go up the clinical ladder.
It's like a succession planning to go through different steps in their nursing career until you can go into a doctoral program.
As you grow, your pay increases and also you get bonuses along with it.
We really utilize it as a tool to be able to better ourselves as nurses. The vision in nursing is to be the premier nursing service in the United States.
Magnet recognition would be an excellent opportunity that we're working really hard to work towards. It empowers nurses to have a voice within the system. It gives us a chance to shine even more than we already do.
The mission here about UHealth is really to save life with the cutting edge on treatment, innovation, and we're all part of that.
I think it would be a great opportunity for any nurse to come see us.
We're looking for compassionate, kind, educated, highly rigorous nurses. If you feel that this is something that you connect with, please call us. We want you to be able to join us.